In a small village, there lived a curious little girl named Zainab. She was always eager to explore and uncover the secrets of the world around her. The villagers often laughed at her endless questions and playful curiosity, but Zainab always felt that there was something extraordinary hidden in the village waiting to be discovered. One sunny day, as the birds chirped melodiously and the breeze carried the sweet scent of flowers, Zainab decided to wander into the nearby fields with her book and lunchbox. On her way, she noticed an old well, covered with vines and surrounded by thick bushes. The elders of the village often spoke of this well, claiming it to be magical, but no one had dared to go near it for years. Zainab's eyes sparkled with excitement. Maybe it hides a secret, she thought to herself. Slowly, she approached the well and peered inside. It was dark, but at the very bottom she saw a faint, glowing light. Her heart began to race, not with fear but with curiosity, as she leaned closer to get a better look. Quickly pulling a flashlight from her school bag, she shone it into the well. To her amazement, she spotted a small golden door at the bottom. Zainab's jaw dropped. What could it be? She wondered. Determined to find out, Zainab used a rope and some nearby stones to carefully climb down into the well. When she finally reached the golden door, she hesitated for just a moment before pushing it open. Suddenly, a bright light burst through, and Zainab found herself standing in a breathtaking garden. It was filled with vibrant flowers, golden trees, and sparkling lakes. A soft voice echoed through the garden, saying, "This magical world is only for the brave and the curious. But remember, it welcomes only those with kind hearts who are willing to help others." Zainab promised to always help those in need and bring happiness to her village. When she returned and shared her adventure, the villagers were astounded and began calling her Brave Zainab. From that day on, Zainab learned an important lesson. With curiosity and courage, any mystery can be solved, but true treasure lies in kindness and helping others.